This is a 2013 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include 11 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shift, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, performance tires, and this vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Woolwine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3080 Highway 49 in Collins.